If you're watching any YouTube video but it is in a language that you don't understand, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on auto dub on YouTube videos. By turning on auto dub, you'll be able to watch any video in a language that you are comfortable with because the audio will be translated to your language of choice. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here a video, and if I go ahead and play it, as you can see, it is in a different language. This is a Swahili language, and I wish to dub this in English. So once you are on the video, just look for this settings option and click on it. Then look for audio track. If you click on audio track, the current language is the original, which is Swahili original, and we have an option to auto dub it in English USA. As you can see here, you can choose it. However, if your language is not among these, you can edit your preferred language in settings here by clicking on this, and you'll be taken to other preferred languages. So here I'll proceed and click on auto dub and then click on English, which is my preferred language. And now if I click on the video,
but please don't stay far from your phone.
As you can see, it has been translated. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.